Hey everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. As you know, winter here. Many of us are dealing with dry, flaky skin that just won't stay moisturized no matter what we try. Today I've got you covered with my top 10 homemade face masks for dry skin. Each of these masks is super easy to make, uses natural ingredients, and will leave your skin hydrated, soft, and glowing. So grab a notebook and let's get started. Top 10 winter face masks for dry skin you can make at home. Number 1. Honey and avocado mask. Benefits: deeply moisturizes dry skin. Contains antioxidants that promote healthy skin. Softens and smooths rough patches. Reduces inflammation and soothes irritation. What to do? Mash 1 half-ripe avocado in a bowl until smooth. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and mix well. Apply the mixture evenly to your face. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse with lukewarm water. Number 2. Oatmeal and yogurt mask. Benefits: gently exfoliates dead skin cells. Calms and reduces redness. Moisturizes and prevents flaky skin. Contains lactic acid to soften skin. What to do? Mix 2 tablespoons of oats with 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Let the mixture sit for 5 minutes to soften the oats. Apply a thin layer to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 15 minutes. Then gently rinse with warm water. Number 3. Banana and olive oil mask. Benefits: hydrates and adds a natural glow. Rich in vitamins that improve skin texture. Fights dryness and keeps skin soft. Prevents irritation with anti-inflammatory properties. What to do? Mash 1 half banana in a bowl until smooth. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and mix thoroughly. Apply the mask evenly to your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Then rinse with lukewarm water. Number 4. Aloe vera and cucumber mask. Benefits: instantly soothes and cools irritated skin. Hydrates deeply without clogging pores. Reduces redness and swelling. Adds a refreshing, soft feel to the skin. What to do? Blend 1/4 cucumber into a puree. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel to the puree. Apply the mixture generously to your face. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Then rinse with cool water. Number 5. Milk and honey mask. Benefits: nourishes skin with natural fats and proteins. Helps brighten and even skin tone. Deeply hydrates and softens. Smooths rough patches for a silky finish. What to do? Mix 2 tablespoons of milk with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply the mixture to your face with a cotton ball or fingers. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. Number 6. Papaya and coconut oil mask. Benefits: gently exfoliates dead skin cells. Brightens and rejuvenates dull skin. Softens rough areas and adds moisture. Helps improve skin elasticity. What to do? Mash 1/4 cup of ripe papaya in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and mix until smooth. Apply evenly to your face, avoiding sensitive areas. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Then rinse with lukewarm water. Number 7. Cocoa powder and milk mask. Benefits: rich in antioxidants to protect skin. Hydrates and smooths dry areas. Brightens skin tone. Reduces fine lines and signs of aging. What to do? Mix 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder with enough milk to make a paste. Apply the paste evenly to your face. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. Number 8. Egg yolk and honey mask. Benefits: deeply nourishes dry, flaky skin. Improves skin elasticity and firmness. Adds a soft glow to dull skin. Smooths out rough patches. What to do? Separate 1 egg yolk and place it in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of honey and mix well. Apply the mixture to your face evenly. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse with cool water. Number 9. Shea butter and aloe vera mask. Benefits: provides intense hydration for very dry skin. Locks in moisture for long-lasting softness. Helps heal cracked or chapped areas. Soothes and reduces redness. What to do? Melt 1 tablespoon of shea butter slightly to soften. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and mix until smooth. Apply the mask evenly to your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Then gently rinse with warm water. Number 10. Rose water and almond oil mask. Benefits: rejuvenates and adds a natural glow. Hydrates and softens without clogging pores. Reduces redness and inflammation. Helps smooth fine lines. What to do? Mix 1 teaspoon of almond oil with 1 tablespoon of rose water. Apply the mixture to your face with a cotton pad or fingertips. Let it absorb for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse with cool water. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about these easy homemade face masks to keep your skin hydrated and glowing this winter. Remember, these natural ingredients can make a big difference in fighting off winter dryness. If you try any of these masks, let me know how they worked for you in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.